2016 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, stability control, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, driver airbag, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, trip computer, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.